Matthew, Damian, Alag, Johnson. Hi everybody, today we're going to do a volcano experiment now. They were needing red vinegar soda, and small volcano, and the green liquid soap. They were going to put baking soda over the volcano and one teaspoon of soap putting in. It's not falling in. Okay. And then
the vinegar. We're gonna pour the vinegar. Okay, I'm gonna back away, Matthew. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pour it in. Wow! That's a lot of lava.
Let's put more.
Oh no! Oh!
It exploded everywhere. Everywhere on my table. Yay, I like it.
Hi kids, I'm Lalaine, Matthew's mom. So, are you wondering why do bubbles form when you mix baking soda and vinegar? Here's the answer. Baking soda is actually a basic compound, while vinegar is an acidic compound. When you combine the two, they will react to one another. This is what we call acid-base reaction. Acid-base reaction? The final product of the reaction will be water and carbon dioxide, which escapes as air, forming bubbles in the reaction. The bubble formation is further amplified by the soap we put in the mixture.
I hope you enjoy our volcano experiment for little fun. Bye! Stay healthy and rise up. Bye!